This is the Rubik's Cube magic trick anyone can do. First, on any side, do this sequence of moves. After that, undo those moves with your ring and index finger, like so. Once you've gotten used to that, you can now add the swing. And on the end of every swing, you will turn the cube once, like this. After a lot of practice, it should now look like this. Another application of this trick is that you can do this behind your back. So once you got the cube scrambled up, you can put it behind your back, and here I'll use my computer as an example. Undo those moves, and bam, you're done. You can now show this trick off to your friends.